friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make red banana chips. Very delicious and a very healthy snack recipe for kids. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 2 raw red banana. Try pressing it, it should be hard. Peel off the skin and cut both the ends and keep it ready. Make thin slices with a sharp knife. The more thin you cut, the more crispy it's going to be. Now we are ready with the red banana slices. Let's go and fry them. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in the slices one by one. Make sure they don't stick to one another. You can also replace oil with ghee for better taste and results. Fry on medium flame for 5 minutes until they turn crispy and golden brown. Flip sides in between. Now after 5 minutes, the red banana chips is well done, so remove from the oil. Now our crispy red banana chips is ready to serve. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a very healthy recipe. So do try this red banana chips recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.